now. Okay, so we have our little hopper toy here. We said that the energy before was elastic and the energy after was it moving, the hopping around. So if we go to our items in the system, we are going to insert the drawing. Okay, so what are some of, if I clicked my text box so I can add my items, what are some of the items in that system? The wind up or the winder or the spring. I'll put winder. What else is in there? The what? The person. What else? The toy itself. I'm going to put the toy just a little bit up here. And again, you can have these in any particular order. It's just when you're doing it computer based, sometimes it's easier to go from small to big. Okay. So the spring, then the toy, then the person, and then floor, and then earth. Awesome. Then you're going to go in and select your lines. And let's do that arrow. Arrow down. Get the other end. Arrow up. And because I'm lazy, I just do a copy and a paste. Control C, Control V, and then I drag it down. Control V and drag it down. Control V, drag it down. All right, so what else do I need to connect? The earth and everything, right? So let's go up here. And again, I really like scribble. And I'm going to go earth to the spring. And then I'm going to go earth to toy. And then I'm going to go earth to person. And really earth to floor too, but all that. And if you look at these are really kind of baby force diagrams. Because when we were like, let's draw a force diagram of the toy, you've got the toy getting pulled by the earth, and the person is getting pulled by the earth. They're baby force diagrams. So they're pretty cool here. So this is our schema, if you will. What objects are we going to look at in our system? What are the 2 to 3 things that we really focused on in this activity?
Toy, floor, and spring.
Okay, so when we went from EEL to EK, I'll say that there's 2 things on there. The spring and the toy. You got it. So I'm going to go up to my scribble here. And come on, scribble. And I'm going to circle. Apparently I'm not going to circle. I'm going to try to circle this guy right here. Yep.
Why would it be the person who's
If we were doing, that's an excellent question. If we were looking at the person and the spring, then, and you could be, if you're going to argue that, if you did the person winding the spring, I would probably go kinetic to elastic. Okay, are you seeing where the little difference is? So you're 100% right. If you were doing the person in the spring, then I would go kinetic to elastic. And that's one of the reasons why I gave you guys the energies here. So we went elastic to kinetic here. So we went from the spring to the hopping. So I would 100% grant you those points if you said that this is what you saw. Does that make sense? Cool. All right, so that is fabulous. Is there anything else? I'm going to get out of there. So we did the buggy, we did the wind-up toy. I want you guys to try the air puck, and I will come back and talk to you about the air puck in just a moment. Yeah.
What are the power again?
Go to this one.
Yes.